Breathing Clean, our sustainability journey. Today, we are going to learn about something very important: how environmental pollution can affect our respiratory system. Together, we'll discover how we can make a difference and protect our health. What is the respiratory system? The respiratory system is responsible for the exchange of gases between the body and the environment. Our lungs, nestled within the chest cavity and shielded by the rib cage, serve as our vital connection to the surrounding air. The lungs are made up of a vast network of tubes, branching out like a tree. Starting from the trachea or windpipe, the tubes divide into two main bronchi, one for each lung. They further subdivide into smaller bronchi and then into bronchioles. At the end of the smallest bronchioles are tiny air sacs known as alveoli, the actual site of gas exchange. Functionally, our respiratory system consists of two main zones: the conductive zone and the respiratory zone. The conductive zone includes the nose, nasal cavities, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchi, and bronchioles, which filter, warm, and conduct air to the respiratory zone. The respiratory zone consists of respiratory bronchioles, alveolar ducts, and alveoli, where gas exchange occurs. Each lung contains around 300 million alveoli, creating a vast surface area comparable to a tennis court. These air sacs facilitate the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide. During inspiration, oxygen enters the alveoli and diffuses into the surrounding capillaries, binding to red blood cells. At the same time, carbon dioxide, a metabolic waste product, moves in the opposite direction, diffusing from the blood into the alveoli. Upon expiration, the carbon dioxide is expelled. The invisible enemy: air pollution and smoke. Air pollution and smoke pose a significant threat to our delicate respiratory system. Sources like industry, vehicles, forest fires, and tobacco release harmful substances that, when inhaled, it's not just oxygen that passes into our lungs, but also a cocktail of harmful substances. Particulate matter, especially PM 2.5, can penetrate deep into our lungs, triggering inflammation and compromising gas exchange. These particles can even enter the bloodstream, leading to asthma, bronchitis, lung cancer, and cardiovascular issues. Effects of second-hand tobacco smoking. Exposure to second-hand tobacco smoke has significant health effects on both adults and children. Second-hand smoke contains a multitude of harmful chemicals and carcinogens, putting individuals at risk for various conditions. Non-smokers regularly exposed to second-hand smoke have an increased likelihood of developing lung cancer, respiratory infections, and cardiovascular diseases. Children are particularly vulnerable, experiencing higher rates of lower respiratory infections and worsened asthma symptoms when exposed to second-hand smoke. It is essential to create smoke-free environments and raise awareness about the detrimental effects of second-hand tobacco smoke, to protect the health of both individuals and especially children. Towards sustainable breathing. Our journey. Our journey towards sustainability encompasses a multifaceted approach, beginning with awareness and culminating in action. Firstly, reducing sources of air pollution is paramount. This entails advocating for cleaner energy alternatives, minimizing reliance on fossil fuels, and supporting regulations that restrict industrial emissions. On an individual level, utilizing public transportation, using green transportation, planting trees, conserving energy, and practicing waste reduction and recycling can significantly reduce our contribution to air pollution. Addressing smoke-related issues involves responsible forest management, mitigating climate change, and educating others about the dangers of tobacco. Towards sustainable breathing. Play your part. Breathing sustainably means taking care of our respiratory health and tackling air pollution and smoke. We need to be aware of the issue, reduce pollution sources, embrace cleaner energy and green transportation, manage forests responsibly, and prioritize our well-being. By working together, we can create a future where clean air is valued, ensuring a healthier world for generations to come.